What is the maximum government incentive for an electric vehicle? Exciting news for electric vehicle enthusiasts. The question on many people's minds right now is, what is the maximum government incentive for an electric vehicle? If you are considering purchasing an electric vehicle, you will want to know the latest information on available incentives. Let's break down the current offerings to help you make an informed decision. As of 2025, the highest federal government incentive for a new electric vehicle in the United States is a tax credit of up to $7,500. This credit applies to qualifying new electric cars, plug-in hybrids, and hydrogen-powered vehicles. However, there are specific government requirements that these vehicles must meet. For instance, the manufacturer's suggested retail price must not exceed $55,000 for cars and $80,000 for trucks, sport utility vehicles, and vans. Additionally, the buyer's adjusted gross income must fall below certain thresholds. Individuals must earn less than $150,000, while heads of household must earn less than $225,000. Joint filers must have an income below $300,000 to qualify. In addition to the $7,500 tax credit, there is a new tax deduction introduced by the One Big Beautiful Bill. This allows buyers to deduct up to $10,000 annually on the interest paid for loans financing new vehicles assembled in the United States. This deduction is available for vehicles purchased between 2025 and 2020. Importantly, this deduction can be combined with the $7,500 tax credit if the purchase is made before September 30th, 2025. This combination of incentives can significantly lower the effective cost of an electric vehicle. For those considering used electric vehicles, the maximum federal tax credit is for $1,000. However, this applies only to vehicles that are at least 2 model years old and meet other Internal Revenue Service criteria. It is essential to keep in mind that the $7,500 tax credit for new electric vehicles will expire after September 30th, 2025. The One Big Beautiful Bill will repeal the federal electric vehicle tax credits effective from that date. However, the loan interest deduction will remain as available through 2028. In summary, the highest government incentive currently available for a new electric vehicle purchase is a $7,500 tax credit. This can potentially be combined with a $10,000 annual loan interest deduction, depending on timing and vehicle eligibility. For used electric vehicles, the maximum credit stands at $1,000. These incentives aim to make electric vehicles more accessible for qualifying buyers.